Identifying which passive candidates are open to new roles is one of the most controversial and inefficient parts of talent acquisition today. In this video, I'll show you how PredictReadiness solves this with predictive science. Let's start with why this problem persists. Talent acquisition professionals struggle because traditional methods rely on intuition or simplistic rules. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Generic tools fail because they miss nuanced behavioral signals and career patterns. Real challenges include low response rates, wasted sourcing efforts, and missed connections with ideal candidates. This inefficiency drains resources and slows hiring. Now, let's dive into the technical method behind PredictReadiness. It uses predictive modeling based on behavioral signals like social media activity, job change frequency, and career progression indicators. Key concepts you need to understand are how these signals correlate with openness to opportunities. It differentiates from common misconceptions such as assuming job hoppers are always open by analyzing patterns holistically. The model weights factors based on empirical data, ensuring accuracy. Next, the software solution. PredictReadiness ingests data from various sources like LinkedIn profiles, resume databases, and public records. It establishes baselines for normal career behavior, calculates readiness scores using machine learning algorithms, and provides a clear audit trail for transparency. Compliance features ensure data privacy, and scenario modeling allows you to test different outreach strategies. You can adjust variables to see how scores change, helping you plan campaigns. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Consider a candidate named Alex with a stable job history of 5 years at one company but recent increased activity on professional networks, like sharing industry content and updating skills. PredictReadiness might score Alex high on readiness due to these behavioral shifts. Another variable could be a peer moving to a competitor, which the model factors in. The outcome is a targeted outreach list with higher likelihood of response without making specific claims. This approach saves time and increases engagement. On compliance and reporting, PredictReadiness generates reports with visual dashboards that are easy for stakeholders to read. These reports highlight readiness scores, key signals, and confidence intervals. The system aligns with regulations like GDPR and CCPA, ensuring ethical data use. Reports can be customized for different audiences, from recruiters to executives. In closing, PredictReadiness offers a data-driven way to identify passive candidates ready for new opportunities. It transforms talent acquisition from guesswork to science,